Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9, subject Political Science, chapter Working of Institution. This is why an independent and powerful judiciary is considered essential for democracy. All the courts at different level in a country put together are called the judiciary. The Indian judiciary consists of a Supreme Court for the entire action. High Judiciary. The Indian judiciary consists of a Supreme Court for the entire nation, high courts in the state, district court, and the courts are at local level. India has an integrated judiciary. It means the Supreme Court controls the judiciary administration in the country. Its decisions are binding on all other courts of the country. It can take up any dispute. Number one, between citizens of the country. Number two, between citizens and governments. Number three, between two or more states, government, and between governments at the union and state level. It is the highest court of appeal in civil and criminal cases. It can hear appeals against the decision of the High Court. Independence of the judiciary means that it is not under the control of the legislature or the executive. The judge do not act on the direction of the government or according to the wishes of the party in power. That is why all modern democracy have courts that are independent of the legislature and the executive. India has achieved this. The judge of the Supreme Court and the High Courts are appointed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister and in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme